In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust pen pressure in Clip Studio Paint. Getting pen pressure right makes a huge difference in how your lines look and feel. When it's dialed in, you'll get smooth tapers, responsive strokes, and a drawing experience that matches your hand. If it's off, everything can feel either too stiff or too sensitive. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Start by opening Clip Studio Paint. Once it's up, go to the top menu and click File. From that menu, choose Pen Pressure Settings. This opens a dedicated window designed to help you tune how the software interprets your tablet's pressure. Inside this window, you'll see a test area and a curve. The test area is where you'll draw sample strokes to see how your pressure translates on screen. The curve is a visual map. The horizontal axis represents how much pressure you apply with your pen, from light to heavy, and the vertical axis represents the resulting output, like the thickness or intensity of the stroke. Begin by drawing a few strokes in the test area with your pen. Try a variety: featherlight lines, medium pressure lines, and firm, confident strokes. Notice how the lines taper, how quickly they thicken, and whether light touches register at all. If light strokes barely appear, your setup may be too insensitive. If every touch jumps to a thick line, it's likely too sensitive. Now adjust the curve by dragging the points until the strokes feel natural. If you tend to draw with a light hand and want more response at low pressure, pull the lower left part of the curve upwards to boost output for gentle touches. If you press hard and don't want lines to max out too quickly, lower the upper right portion so the response builds more gradually. A gentle S-curve often gives a balanced feel, offering control for delicate hatching and enough weight for confident contours. As you tweak, keep testing in the test area. Aim for smooth, predictable tapers and consistent line weight changes that match what your hand expects. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so move the points incrementally and watch how each change affects your strokes. When your strokes feel right and you're happy with the responsiveness, click OK to save the changes. Your new pressure curve is now applied, and you can return to drawing with a setup that better matches your style. That's all you need to fine-tune pen pressure in Clip Studio Paint.